Hello everyone! It is that time of the year. We are unstuffing all of our challenges today. My name is Courtney and this is Doodle Dollars. Let's get into it. All right, today is July 31st, your burrito full. That is our positive affirmation for today. Let's unstuff this bag of savings, guys. And I'm going to sort it all real quick, and then we're going to count it all. And then in the next video, we will reallocate it into our savings. So let me sort and I'll be right back. Okay, oh my goodness, you guys, look at all of these challenges that we completed this month. So exciting. All right, so we have our budgeting, our debt repayment challenges here from both of those binders, Mini Mondays, Tiny Tuesdays, and then one Festive Friday. So let me sort all of these. I'll put these all into some piles and we'll get started with counting up our savings. Put in the comments right now how much you think I saved in total this month. Any guesses? Let me know in the comments and we'll see if you are correct. Okay, we're gonna start like we normally do with our Festive Fridays. So these ones, I saved them, and once I finished the challenge, I put them right into my holiday envelope. So Festive Fridays, we saved 21 with Budget with Amanda. So that is Festive Fridays. Okay, not a lot saved with that one. I'm not sure what happened there, but that's okay. All right, let's move on to our Tiny Tuesdays. So we have this one by CBA Mom Saves. We have $22. Okay, this one by Overthinking and Budgeting saved us $12. This one by Budget with Carly saved us $10. This one by Lady Eve saved us $10. This one by Cash Money Budgets saved us $12. This one, which I can't remember who it's by, saved us $12. This one by Weekly Budgets saved us $15. This one by Angela Marie saved us $12. This one by Amy by Nature saved us $6. This one by Teacher Mom Budgets saved us $10. This challenge by Windmill Ridge Budgets saved us $15. And this one by Budget with Camilla saved us $8. Let me count up our Tiny Tuesday savings. These savings, by the way, are, if you're new here, go towards my sinking funds for August, and these ones specifically go towards my daughter's sinking funds. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Lots of ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 69. 144. All right, next we're going to do the same thing with our mini Monday challenges. So this first one, it was by me. Why didn't I write it down? This should save us 24. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yes. Okay. This one by Budget with Amanda saved us 12, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one by Life with Me, Eileen, saved us 12, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one by Let It Be Budgets, saved us 16, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This one by Dawn Sunrise Budgeting, saved us 32, 20, 31, and 2. This one was by me as well. This saved us 18, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, this one by Reynolds Budget saved us 18, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This one by Anna Banana Budgets saved us 36, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, and then this one by CBA Mom Saves saved us 25, 10, 15, and 20. So let's count and see what we saved. 20, 10, 20, 30, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. And then our ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3. 188 for Mini Mondays. So Mini Mondays I use to go towards my sinking funds and like the general like household stuff for the month of August. So that's great. I feel like we have a decent amount there. And I felt like I was having a hard month this month, like saving, but like this isn't actually too bad. So I'm okay with this right now. And last but not least is our debt binders. So this first challenge was by Glory's Budget. We saved 31, 25, 30. Oh, I have 32 here. Okay. Well, I don't know. That's okay though. We have an extra $1. This one by Party Planner Papery saved us 40, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. This one by Restoration by Autumn saved us 47, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 6, 7. 6, 7. This one was my collab with a bunch of amazing people. This saved us 20, 40, 60, 75, 80. All right, this challenge by Our Beautiful Budgets. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 91, and 2. All right, this challenge by Norelli's Budget saved us 25. Angela Marie's April group play saved us 20, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This one by Wild Everest. I can't remember. Let's see. 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 37. This one by Plan to Save Designs. It saved us 46, 20, 30, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This Winnie the Pooh challenge by What's Poppin' Sunshine saved us 37, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. And this one by Budget Playhouse by Corinne saved us 55, 20, 40, 55. Okay, so let's count up what we have to go back towards our debt repayment. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, so 280. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And then the ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. 511. Whew. That is some big savings going back towards debt, guys. That's like half of $1,000.
Wow.
That's so amazing. I'm so happy with that because I really thought I was having a bad month with my savings challenges and I was discouraged. So this is exciting news. I'm so happy with that number. Okay, so let's see what our total savings were. $864, guys. That is so exciting. Did y'all guess higher or lower than this? Let me know in the comments if your guess was correct with what you guessed we were going to save today. Thank you all so much for watching. Come back next time. We'll reallocate all of these savings towards our sinking funds. Bye.